Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss new chapter, chapter 16, surface area and volume. Surface area and volume. In this chapter, we will study about solid figures like as matchbox, water tank, bricks, etc. Okay, and firstly, we discuss some important identities for this chapter. Okay, let's see. First, area of four walls of room. Area of four walls of a room means 2 multiply height, 2 multiply height multiply length plus a breadth. First identity, area of four walls of room, 2 multiply height, length plus breadth. Next identity, area of four walls of cube, 4 walls of a cube, 4 into side square, 4 into side square. Third identity, L means length or side. Total surface area of cuboid, total surface area of cuboid means TSA, 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. L means length, B means breadth, H means height. Next identity, volume of cuboid, volume of cuboid LBH means length multiply breadth multiply height. Next, volume of cube, volume of cube means L cube, length cube or side cube. Next, total surface area of cube, TSA of cube, TSA of cube means 6 into side square or 6 into length square. Diagonal of cuboid, diagonal of cuboid root L square plus B square plus H square, length square plus breadth square plus height square. Next, diagonal of cube, diagonal of cube means root 3 into L or root 3 into side, root 3 into length. CSA of cylinder, CSA means curved surface area, CSA means curved surface area of a cylinder, 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH, where pi equal 22/7, R is radius, H is height. TSA of cylinder, total surface area of cylinder, 2 pi R into H plus R. Volume of cylinder, volume of cylinder means pi R square H. CSA of cone, CSA of cone means pi RL, curved surface area of cone, pi RL, pi 22/7, R radius, L length. Slant height also. TSA of cone, total surface area of cone, pi R into L plus R, pi R into L plus R. Volume of cone, volume of cone means pi R square, pi R square H upon 3 or 1/3 pi R square H. Okay. Next identity, number 15, surface area of solid sphere, surface area of solid sphere means 4 pi R square. Volume of solid sphere, volume of solid sphere 4/3 pi R cube. CSA of hemisphere, curved surface area of hemisphere, curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi R square. TSA means total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi R square. Volume of hemisphere 2/3 pi R cube. Slant height of cone, slant height means L, slant height of cone is L equal root H square plus R square, or also write as L square equal H square plus R square. Okay. Next, volume of hollow cylinder, volume of hollow cylinder pi r1 square minus r2 square into h. r1 and r2 are radius, first and second radius. TSA of hollow cylinder, total surface area of hollow cylinder, 2 pi r1 plus r2 into h plus r1 minus r2. Okay, some important identities and based questions. Okay, on these some important identities. Question number first, the dimension of cuboid are 12 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. Find the total surface area of cuboid and its volume. Okay, given in question, length is given 12 centimeter, breadth is given 9 centimeter and height is given 5 centimeter. We find TSA of cuboid, total surface area of cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid, total surface area of cuboid. According to identity, we know 2 into length, breadth, height and length. Okay, so 2 as it is, length into breadth, 12 into 9 plus breadth into height, 9 into 5 plus height into length means 12 into 5. To solve this, 213, 2 multiply 213 means 426 centimeter square. Okay, mention unit compulsory. Total surface area of cuboid is 426 centimeter square is answer. Okay, next question number okay, next part of this question, find also volume. So volume of cuboid. Okay, volume of cuboid is, we know volume of cuboid according to identity, volume of cuboid, length multiply breadth multiply height, 12 multiply 9 multiply 5. Solve this, 540 centimeter cube. Okay, volume, unit of volume is a cube and unit of area is a square. Okay, unit of area is square and unit of volume is a cube. Mention here centimeter cube. Volume of cuboid 540 centimeter cube. Next question. Question number second. The edges of 3 cubes are 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 1 centimeter respectively. After melting these cubes, a new cube is formed. Find the TSA of new cube. Okay, total surface area of a new cube. The edges of 3 cubes, after melting these cube, a new cube is formed. Like 3 cubes means first cube, plus second plus 3. Okay, these 3 cubes are melted and made a new cube. Okay, we calculate total surface area of this cube. Okay, this new cube means 3 cubes are melted. Okay, then we know that volume of cube is a side cube and side is given, first cube side 8, second 6, third first. Okay, side cube. Now first cube means 8 cube, second means 6 cube, third means 1 cube. Okay, these 3 are melted and formed a new cube means 8 cubes. 8 multiply 8 multiply 8, 512. 6 multiply 6 multiply 6, 216, 1 multiply 1 multiply 1, 1. Adding 729 centimeter cube. Okay, means volume of new cube is 729. Okay, 729. Volume of this cube is 729, and we calculate total surface area of new cube. Means volume of cube we know that side cube, and side cube as it is, volume of new cube we get 729. Here we calculate side, so taking cube root on both side means 3 and taking 3. Okay, cube root on both side means 729 cube root of 729 cube root of side cube. Cube cancel out by cube, so side equal 9. Okay, cube root of 729 is 9. We get side is 9. Here we calculate total surface area of new cube. Total surface area of new cube according to identity 6 into side square. Side is 9. 6 multiply 9 into 9. 6 multiply 9 into 9. 6 multiply 81 means 486 centimeter square. Total surface area of new cube is 486 centimeter square is a answer. Okay. Next, question number 3rd. In question number 3rd, okay, in question number 3rd, length, breadth and height is given. Length, breadth and height is given, so calculate only total surface area of a cuboid. Okay, calculate total surface area of cuboid means 2 multiply length breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Okay, applying this identity and solve. Next, question number 4. Question number 4 is each surface area of a cube is 100 centimeter square. If parallel side of base cut the cube in 2 equal part, then find total surface area of each equal part. Total surface area of each equal part. Each surface area of cube is 100 centimeter square given. Okay, we draw diagram. Cube, in cube all sides are equal, so 10 10 10 and 10. Okay, each side 10. Each surface area of cube is 100 centimeter square. Each surface area, it means this one is 100 centimeter square, so this one is square because cube made on square. Therefore in square all side are equal, so area of square we know that according to identity side square, and area is given in question 100 centimeter. Okay, 100 side square mention, taking square root on both side, therefore side equal 10. Side equal 10. Here we get side equal 10. It means according to questions condition, if parallel surface of base cut the cube in 2 equal part, it means parallel surfaces means this one parallel and these one are also parallel. Okay, parallel surfaces means cut into 2 equal part, therefore here we cut 2 equal part or also 2 equal part. Okay, therefore length is 10 and height is also 10. Change on breadth, breadth is half. Okay, cut along parallel side, it means breadth is half. Okay, length and height not change, breadth is changed half. Therefore length equal 10, breadth equal 5, height equal 10. So total surface area of cuboid is 2 L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Therefore 2 10 into 5 plus B into H 5 into 10 plus H into L 10 into 10. Solve out 2 multiply 200, it means total surface area of cuboid is we get 400 centimeter square is answer. 400 centimeter square is answer. Okay, only change breadth, length and height same 10 10, breadth is half. Okay, at that type question. Next question. Question number 15. Question number 15. A box without lid is made by wood of thickness 3 centimeter. Its outer dimensions are 146 centimeter, 116 centimeter and 83 centimeter respectively. Means length, breadth and height. Find the cost of painting the internal surface of box at the rate rupees 2 per 1000 square meter. Per 1000 square meter. Okay. Outer dimension are given, length 146, breadth 116 and height 83 centimeter. Okay. Now thickness of wood is given 3 centimeter. Therefore internal dimension means thickness is 3, so internal dimension means length 146 outer, 146 along 3 minus 3. Okay, along 3 and 3, length and breadth. Okay, length 3 and 3, so 146 minus 6 means 140 centimeter. Breadth also 116 minus 3, it means 110, and height is 83 minus 3, only minus 3 one time, 80. Why? Because box without lid means upper part is vacant. Okay, box without lid. Therefore in height we subtract 3 only one time, and in length and breadth we subtract 3 on 2 time. Okay, outer dimension 146, 116, 83 given. Inner we calculate by thickness 140, 110 and 80. Okay, calculate cost of painting. First we calculate area, then find cost of painting. It means now first we calculate area. Means area of 4 walls. Okay, area of 4 walls, because box cuboid na, and cuboid shape in room, area of 4 walls. 2 into height, length plus breadth. According to identity, 2 into height is 80, length is 140 and breadth is 110. Okay, 2 into height is 80, length is 140 and breadth is 110. Okay, putting these values 140 and 10, solve out means we get 40,000. Area of 4 walls we get 40,000 centimeter square. Okay, now area of surface means area of surface is length multiply breadth. 140 multiply 110. 140 multiply 110 means 15,400 centimeter square. 15,400 centimeter square. Okay, it means now we are calculate cost of painting na. Cost of painting means paint on 4 walls and surface, means total area for painting is 40,000 plus 15,400. 40,000 plus 15,400, total 40,000 plus 15,000, it means 55,400. Total area for painting 55,400 centimeter square. Okay, now cost is given in question. The rate of 2 rupees per 1000 square centimeter, for 1 square centimeter is 2/1000. Therefore for 55,400 multiply by 2/1000, okay. 2 0 cancel out, 2 cancel out 10, or 554 multiply by 2, it means, solve out this part. So cost of painting we get 110 rupees and 80 paise. Cost of painting we get 110 rupees and 80 paise. Okay, cost of painting 110 and 80 rupees, 110 rupees and 80 paise. Okay, thanks.